Welcome to Doc 60 Racing.
So she's starting to look more like a car. Got the dash in, even though that I had issue of cracking it, and then I'm trying to fix it. Not really successful. And then trying to find a paint was a little bit of a pain, but I found it, got it. It's all good. She's in there now. And then we got primitive seat right now mounted. Well, just for a little bit. And I got this mounted, and it's pretty ghetto. Not really. I mean, I got some self-taps in that son of a bitch. This is a very thin sheet metal portion that's just for a little bit of a bracket. It helps out a lot. And then I did that portion that's the same thickness as this shit right here. But she works. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Is it ghetto? I mean, should we not run it? Or should we just say, fuck it, race car. Gets it done. I don't have all the tools out there, and I just try to deal with what the fuck I got in the shop. Right?
Yeah.
So, anyways. Peace out. Y'all have a good one. Yep, what he said. What's up, ladies and gents? Greatly appreciate you guys tuning in to Doc 6-Speed Racing. There we go. We got Josh over there. He's excited with this stuff. Today, on today's episode, I should say, what we are doing is we're installing a Midwest Chassis anti-rollbar, so sway bar. Yeah. And it's actually their cheaper one. It's not their beefy one that you're supposed to fully weld in. This one I do have to weld on some brackets for the mounts onto the rear end, but easy peasy, simple. They did come with instructions, and should be really easy. I like it. It's a pretty light bar, which is excellent. It's not like the last one I had that was extremely heavy, and hopefully it does the job very well. That's what I'm hoping, but we'll see. Get to see. We actually got UPS pulling in and doing a whole bunch of shit, but yeah, I don't want to scare him that he's on film. So this is what we have. Midwest Chassis. This is actually a pretty cool setup. Sorry if the light is too bad, but these actually go into the stock location, into the back, bolt into the holes, actually like that. That's how I got that all messed up, like that. There we go. Bolted in, and then these bolt right up to the rear ends, but I do need to get the location of where I need to put those. Other than that, it should be a pretty simple job. So, thanks again for tuning in, greatly appreciate it, and here we go. Alright, so we did tack these up onto here and over there. First time that I did it not so well, which you can see. That's the first time right there. Had to break them off. And I did it a different way. My buddy told me how to do it and set up the full anti-roll bar, put it up on the jack, get it up on there, measured it, and made sure that it was even, and did a couple of little tack welds on there. Drop the bar. Now it's ready for welding. Hopefully. Yeah, it's ready. And I'll fuck it up. Like always. But I didn't pay nobody to fuck it up for me. So I changed out shirts because I burnt my Moonshiner Garage shirt and that kind of ticked me off, so.